thought it was time to get something different on the channel again, something Italian, and this is definitely that. The Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster that Daniel currently has for sale at DTN Sports Cars, where I bought my GT3 and my GT4 RS from. What am I doing? Where is reverse? There we go. I've not been in a Lamborghini for a while actually, and this is big. This is a very big car. As you can see, normally I can just turn straight out of here. Not in this. I need to do a bit of a 3-point turn to get out. Lots of blind spots, so I want to be able to see properly. Okay, looking good. Definitely a very unique car. It is special. I thought, why not take it out for a coffee run? My only concern is, most of you know now my local mountain pass. It's very narrow, and I think this is the biggest supercar I've had yet. So I'm quite nervous. I'm also currently being blinded by the sun. Not an ideal combination. So I'm going to be taking it very easy up here this morning. Just have a bit of fun in this absolutely mad car that Lamborghini have produced. Only 800 ever made. As usual, Lamborghini just making completely mad cars that sometimes don't even really work in the real world, but yet we love them. Also, the car is extremely low, so all in all, just nice gentle cruise in a huge 770 horsepower V12. I've missed V12s actually a lot. V12s are just, wow. I've driven an SVJ before, never the Roadster, with the roof open. First impression, a bit weird because the visibility, my eyes are nearly going to the top here. I do feel a bit too tall for this car, I must say. Also, wind noise. From 60 kilometers an hour, it seems to be really heavy wind noise in here, which is not so enjoyable also for the camera, but it is what it is. Straight away enjoying the Lamborghini single clutch gearbox. I love it. It adds so much drama. You know, I'm very used to the perfect Porsche PDKs, but I do love this gearbox on this car, on Lamborghinis, on the V12. It does work well. It definitely adds a lot of fun and drama. This thing is mad. And I'm happy that there are companies like Lamborghini just producing such crazy things in what is a fairly serious world these days. That is an absolutely ridiculous sound coming from back there. Luckily, however, it does have 4-wheel steering, which helps a lot. I've driven the older Aventadors without it, and it's quite a nightmare. The 4-wheel steering was quite a game changer on the Aventadors. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 2.9 seconds. A complete rocket. Not that I will be able to use hardly any of the power today because, you know, actually I can admit it's not necessarily the right car for the right road today, but it's what I have, so I'm going to enjoy it nonetheless. It's just endless drama. 60 kilometers an hour now. I can hear a lot of wind noise. I don't know what you guys can hear. Also the Swiss cows. And because of the sheer amount of power, as soon as I started accelerating, it's already teleported me to the next corner. What you need is a big open road for this car. Also a mountain pass, just a bigger open mountain pass. Big ceramic brakes, you need that. Oh, thank you very much for stopping. He was smiling. Right, exhaust test wall. I'm definitely again in the right car today. Let's give it a go. Oh, that's fast. Holy moly. This thing is... Sorry, this is... Okay, I've not driven a car for a while with that amount of power. The last time actually was the Bugatti Chiron, which you also don't really feel because it's of the way it's built. You feel it's fast, but you don't really feel it in this, especially with the roof off. I'm feeling everything. Can't get out of second gear. Oh, that was quite something. 8,500 RPM. Screaming V12. Just, what can I say more? It's just a ridiculous car that I love. You just need it in the right situation. I mean, it's just so different to a Porsche, to what I'm used to, you know? Another world. Come on. Barely getting out of first gear around here now. First and second gear, that's it. So the colour is called Oro Helios, which means something gold in Italian, and it really is beautiful. Really does work on this car, I think. You're hitting speed limit so quick. As soon as I switch into second gear, you know, speed limit. It's a sound like no other. What am I driving? Such a spectacular thing. My God. God, this car feels illegal. kind of taste of nothing. Tonic water, espresso shot, ice, a bit of orange. We need to be creative now. So many coffee runs. It's okay. It's like, it's okay. Would I buy it? No. The last one with the orange, that was the best. Tonic, not recommended.